What if I told you that you can create a premium looking 3D brand logo in just a few minutes using AI and without paying a designer anything? In this video, I'll show you a free AI tool that can generate stunning professional logos for you for your brand with almost zero effort. First, open ChatGPT. Now we need ChatGPT to write us a professional logo generation prompt. In the search bar, paste this prompt. I've provided this prompt in the video description below. Just copy it, replace tweak library with your own brand name or text. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate a detailed and professional image generation prompt for you. Once it is done, simply copy that prompt. Now open your browser and go to Ideogram AI. If you have not used it before, do not worry. It is completely free. Just sign in using your Google account and you're in. Once you're logged in, paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you in the text field and click the generate button. Give it a few seconds and watch the magic happen. As you can see, Ideogram has created multiple logo options for your brand. Look at how professional and polished these look. All the logos you generated will be automatically saved to your My Images section. You can click on it anytime to view all the logos you have created. To explore or edit a logo further, simply click on it to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you have some really useful options. You can click edit to make changes to the logo, remix to create a variation of it, upscale to increase the image quality and resolution, remove BG to remove the background and get a clean, transparent logo. Pick the one that best represents your brand, click the download button and it will be saved directly to your device. That's it. Your professional logo is ready in just a few minutes, completely for free. Would you use AI to create logos for your brand or do you prefer hiring a designer? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Tweak Library for more quick and useful tutorials like this. See you in the next one.